Brightspeed is a growing home internet provider offering fiber and DSL broadband across more than 20 US states. Welcome to Tekzoid. Today, we'll break down what Brightspeed offers, speeds, pricing, availability, and whether it's worth it. What is Brightspeed Internet? Brightspeed is a US internet provider focused on suburban and rural areas. It delivers fiber where available and DSL where fiber isn't yet deployed. Brightspeed offers unlimited data, no annual contracts, self-install or professional installation, affordable pricing. Brightspeed Internet speeds. Your speed depends on whether you get fiber or DSL. Brightspeed fiber speeds: 200 megabits per second, 500 megabits per second, 1 gig, up to 940 megabits per second, 2 gig, up to 5 gig or 8 gig in select areas. Great for 4K streaming, gaming, work from home, multi-device households. Brightspeed DSL speeds, up to 20 to 40 megabits per second download, varies by distance. Good for basic browsing and email. Brightspeed Internet pricing. Fiber pricing. Promo prices often start around $30 to $50 per month. Gig and multi-gig plans usually cost more depending on area. DSL pricing, typically $50 to $60 per month. All plans include unlimited data, no contracts, no hidden overage fees. Brightspeed Internet reviews. Pros: unlimited data on all plans, easy installation, affordable fiber plans, growing fiber network. Cons: slow DSL speeds in some areas, fiber not available everywhere, mixed customer service reviews. Brightspeed Internet availability. Brightspeed operates in parts of about 20 states, including North Carolina, Ohio, Missouri, Indiana, Wisconsin, Alabama, Pennsylvania, New Jersey, Tennessee. Availability depends on your exact address, especially for fiber. Is Brightspeed worth it? Yes, if Brightspeed fiber is available in your area. DSL works for light users but may feel slow for modern needs. To check more details, check out our full post, link in the description. If you found this breakdown helpful, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more honest tech explainers from Tekzoid.